Are you ready to get the latest iPhone updates before anyone else does? Now you can join Apple's beta test program. So go ahead and grab your phone and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Open up Safari and you're going to head over here to beta.apple.com. And once you get here, you will see that there's an agreement and you can read it if you'd like to, but once you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to simply click agree. Once you've done this, you'll see about the guide for beta software. And basically, it's the Apple beta software program, and it lets you try pre-release software and provide feedback to help make it even better. So if you are ready to do that, the next thing we're going to do is simply enroll your device. One thing to note, you are testing new software and providing feedback, so it's very important that you do archive a backup of your device, so if something goes wrong, you don't lose all of your information. Next, you're going to turn on beta updates, and as you can see, it's for devices running iOS 16.4 or later, and right there's the directions. Basically go settings, general, software update, beta updates, and choose the iOS beta that you would like to install. If you look below, there are directions for those running iOS 16.3 or earlier. Last, you'll just update your iOS device, and you can do that through general settings and the software update. Once you've done that, you'll get notification once a new beta is available and you can begin testing.